Well, hello everyone. I hope that your day is going absolutely amazing whenever this video finds you. If you're new here, hi, hello, my name is Alyssa. It is so nice to meet you. If you're not new here, then I'm so glad that you are back and joining me for this kind of order unhaul. If you are new here, I hope that you consider subscribing and joining our little, I don't know, family. So I am unboxing. It's going to be kind of a short video, but I'm unboxing my cloth and paper order. I actually made this order last week and it got here super fast, and it does hold my new desk planner. So for the rest of 2021, I'm still using my A5 wide. I'm still using my B6, but school is ending for me and I'm moving into a whole different, I guess, school situation. So I have decided to get myself a desk planner, and I'm using inserts and pieces from Cloth and Paper, and this will kind of be an evolving planner. I got my inserts, but I don't think I grabbed all the dashboards that I wanted. So I'm gonna make sure to grab some more, so you'll have more of these little unboxings coming soon. So let's just kind of dive in. So let's see, I have already gone through it, only because I ordered with a friend. She ordered a few things. And then I ordered a ton of things, so I had to kind of sort her stuff out. But yeah, so as you can see, I do have some discs, which means I am moving into a half letter for my desk planner, and that's going to kind of be my all-encompassing, like, day-to-day keep at my desk planner for school, for just anything that I'll have here, separate from my B6. All right, if you hear another person in the room, my fiance is in the room as well. He's just playing his game and he's hanging out. So he's just quietly chilling on the bed. All right, so these are the discs. These are the smaller discs. I don't think I needed anything bigger than this. I figured this would be great. So yeah, I got some discs, and I'll put together kind of the gist of my planner for you as well, so you can see them. I did order the two Oli clips, the Cloth and Paper Oli clips. I got it in both colors actually, so I got it in like the grayish and the beige, and they're so cute. I have metallic Oli clips, but I don't have any of like the beigey neutral ones, which is what I really wanted. So I figured since I was popping in an order for that, I would pop in an order for some other things, which is why I have quite a hefty order. So this is one of them. I have the paper here, and I'll tell you the names of them. So we have it's really clipping everything. We have the Prosecco and the Affogato. So I'm assuming, I think this is the Affogato, I could be wrong. And then we also have the Prosecco. I might have it backwards, but we'll see. Oh, this is really cute. And there you go. Those are the two Oli clips. I definitely want to grab more when she releases some more, but they're so cute. That was really the drive of me ordering. And then the half letter, because when I was going through it, I had remembered that I'd been planning on getting a different desk planner, so I just decided to make it a Cloth and Paper. So we got this cute little card, which you know how much I love cards, for the inside of my planner, and then a super sweet little dashboard. And it has a little thank you. So cute. I also ordered myself some pens. All right, let's see. I wanted something a little different to write with, and I love trying different pens. So I have let's see. This is the Campus, let's see. So this one here is a fresh floral and lavender, which is super cute. I have the Uni pen, and so that makes this one the Koyoko Campus Vivid Dry pen. I think one of these works on the transparent little things here. So I have quite a few of these in larger sizes. So I wanted to grab one that works in there. I think it's one of these two for sure, but I gotta double check. So I grabbed these guys, something a little different, and these will be for my desk planner, potentially my Plan With Me, and then this guy. Okay, so I picked up 2 sets of inserts. So I've got the dated monthly, And then I also got the undated hourly, which I really, really liked for just kind of my day-to-day, have it being at the desk, especially because I am doing remote school for my degree. So I wanted that. I've got these little guys, which I'm going to use in my B6 just for some cards. And then I got this little guy here. And then my inbox. And then I got my cover for my little thingamabob. All right, so I'm gonna start putting these guys together so you can kind of see it in action, and then I'll walk you through how I'm gonna use it, but I feel like it's pretty self-explanatory. Let's jump to it. All right, everything is here and open. I am going to put all of this together, and I'm gonna speed time it pretty quickly. So let's start speeding. right, and that is it right there. It's super cute. I actually really like it. So the way I plan on using it, I actually really like this cover. I might put it different. I think I like the beige, but I don't know how much I love the pocket here, especially since I'll be putting stuff in it. We'll see what I do with it. There are a couple of other dashboards that I didn't think to order, and now that I was looking through the website again, I definitely want to order, so I probably will put in a secondary order in a week or two. But I love this. I definitely see myself using it. So I've got this here just for some little extra things for notes and stuff. Undated monthly, I know you saw me struggle putting these in. Now that I think about it, I should have probably done it in smaller chunks, but it worked. I pulled out January to March because there's no point in having empty pages. And I have it starting on April, which is great, even though we're almost halfway through April already. So I've got the monthlies, and then I kind of popped in my inbox here as a little divider. I might get the little tab divider as well. Oh, this is not supposed to be there. And let's see. And then I've got my undated hourly, and I like that they're undated just in case I miss a week or I find them not sitting at my desk for a week very often. These are great. I loved how these looked in the photos, and I'm super excited. And that is that. So I'll probably be adding to this as I go. And I'll let you know how this evolves and how I'm using it. I might order a cover for it. I haven't quite decided. I haven't quite found one that is vegan leather that I love. The Motorhome ones are stunning, but they are completely leather, and being fully plant-based, I prefer to use vegan leather rather than a full real leather. So yeah, so that is my little tiny order from Cloth and Paper. I'm very excited. I can't wait to get a couple more pieces for this, and I'll show you how this evolves. I will see you on Saturday for my plan with me. I am so excited. I'm going to be working on the voiceover tonight. It is from a shop I haven't used before, which is exciting, and I love how this spread turned out. I got really innovative with it, and I'm excited to show you the update on this. A lot of you guys had asked if I'll update you on my B6. So seeing as I will probably be home for the next 2 weeks, I will have a couple more videos for you guys, or at least pre-filmed. So I'm excited. I hope you enjoyed this little tiny itty bitty video, and I will see you on Saturday. If you haven't already, check out my Easter collab with Kayla and Amy from Simply Beautiful Plans. And we did a cute little collab together for Easter, and I'm excited that that is out and that you guys can see that. So definitely check that out. I will see you guys super soon. Have a really good one. Bye.